Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Select Settings and Privacy. In the search bar, type in deactivation or deletion and perform a search. Tap on it. Tap on the account that you want to deactivate. Select Deactivate Account and tap on the Continue button. For your security, enter your password to continue. Once you are done, tap on the Continue button. Now choose a reason to deactivate your account. Once you are done, scroll down and tap on the Continue button. If you are sure, tap on the Deactivate Account button. If you don't reactivate your Instagram account within 30 days, then your Instagram account will be permanently deleted. So make sure you reactivate your Instagram account before it gets deleted. And this is how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.